Hello everybody, welcome to this first video on understanding load testing. Have you ever wondered why websites crash during massive sales like Flipkart's Big Billion Day or when government portals get overwhelmed during tax season? That's where load testing comes in. It's the key to ensuring your app can handle real world traffic. In this short video, we will dive into why load testing matters. What and we will understand what makes Locust, a Python based tool, so awesome and how it compares to traditional tools like JMeter or Postman. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what load testing is and why it matters. Let's get started. So, what is load testing? Load testing is like stress test for your application. It simulates thousands or even millions of users hitting your website API or microservice to see how it holds up under pressure. Why does this matter? Let's look at some real world example. So as you can see on your screen, uh, in 2014, the Big Billion Day sale, during Big Billion Day sale of Flipkart, it crashed because they were not expecting this much load on the website and it went down. Uh, so that's the one scenario. And afterwards, we have this Pokemon Go meltdown on launch weekend. On 2016, it was weekend and it also crashed because of the same reason. And we have seen IRCTC website. Uh, we have seen this failing or crashing on routine, and you can see this is more recent, 2024, and it crashed because of the heavy traffic. And more recently, if we see, uh, if we check in this same website crashed in 2025 as well. It's almost same. Earlier it crashed in December 2024. Then yes, then it crashed again in January 2025. The it says ISCT website crash, peak hours, leaving passenger fuming. The same reason because they were not expecting this much load on the server and it crashed. So these failures show that without proper load testing, your app could crash at the worst possible moment. Load testing helps you identify bottleneck, optimize performance, and ensure smooth user experience no matter the traffic. Now, let's talk about the tools we use for load testing. Traditionally, tools like Apache JMeter have been popular. JMeter is powerful with GUI interface and extensive reporting, but it has steep learning curve and can be resource heavy for large scale tests. Good thing about JMeter is it's GUI based, support multiple protocols, and has a large community. Not so good about JMeter is complex setup, less flexible for developers, not ideal for modern cloud-based apps. And now, if we check uh, Locust, Locust is a modern Python-based load testing tool. Locust is lightweight, scriptable, and developer-friendly. Unlike JMeter, you write tests in Python code which make it super flexible and easy to integrate into your workflow, especially if you are already familiar with Python. Locust scales better for distributed testing, simulating millions of users across multiple machines. It is open source and free to use. That's so. Why is Locust favorite among developers and testers? Here are four reasons. It is Python powered. If you know Python, you are already halfway there. Locust tests, Locust tests are written as Python scripts, so you can use loops, conditions, even external libraries to customize your test. Second is simple setup. Uh, for this, you just need to do pip install locust and you are good to go. And uh, it is scalable and distributed. Locust can simulate millions of users by running it on multiple machines, perfect for testing cloud-based apps. And even they have provided this locust.cloud where you can set it up on cloud and they provide this service as well. And uh, fourth is real-time feedback. Locust's web-based dashboard gives live stats on response time, failure rate, and more. You can tweak the tests on fly. Like here you can see uh, it is showing statics, chart, failure, exceptions, current ratio, logs, everything like how many APIs it has tested, how many requests sent, how many failures, median response time, average response time, and on top it is showing the average of everything like how many failures, how many workers are there, how many users are running, status is running, and likewise. Okay, and this is the code snippet. It's in this lines in I can say in less than 10 lines, you can start testing your API. Whether you are a developer building APIs or tester ensuring web app performs, Locus flexibility and ease of use make it go-to choice. Okay, now I will give you the basic idea how we can set up Locust on our machine. First of all, you just need to install Locust package using pip install Locust. And as you can see, it will download all the required packages and it will install and compile. And I will show you the basic uh, script which we can use to automate or load test the API. You need to import from locust import fast HTTP user. Then you just need to write class website user. Then wait time is the time it takes randomly takes between initial start, which is 1, and to 5. Between 1 to 5 it will randomly select the value. And yeah, let's use this. um, yep, the host would be dummy JSON and client API we will be using this product. And in under 10 lines we are ready to test this API. Likewise, you can duplicate this function with the task, and you will be able to test multiple APIs in this website user class. Okay, let's check how it will look like in browser. Oh, sorry, I forgot to execute it. First, save it, then locust file test, enter. Okay, you can see it is giving you the path as a localhost 8089, which we already tried to open and it's not loading. Okay, it's now loaded. So the host which you gave here is loading into this field host, and the number of users, how many users, peak concurrency we need to use. Currently, we will use one only, and ramp up is how many users uh, per second we need to ramp up. So let's test it. The host is dummy JSON. Right now, one user is okay. Chart. Oh, see this RPS requests per second and failure is 0, and similarly response time it is showing yellow and pink, and pink is 95th percentile, average response time is uh, this yellow, and you can see by the time uh, the average response time is reducing. We can check different number of how many users are getting hit. Right now we are having just one user configured, and in the failure section, if you see any API is failing, that get logged here. Exceptions similarly logged here. Current ratio. Ratio is like if we have multiple APIs, we are testing multiple APIs, it will log every single function over here, like how many, if we use two methods, my test and my test 2, it will give 50-50 or 75-25, whatever, however it is using. And afterwards we have this download data. It gives us the functionality to download the report and everything. We will go dive into it later. And log, if we have any log worth checking, that is how it is. And you can see you can reset, stop, edit the number of peak users in real time. You can do it. Let's make it 100, and in 1 second 10 update. Okay, let's see the charts here. Okay, we'll update it. Ha, 21 users. See, all of a sudden it ramped up. And however, it's not taking much time. Average response time is same, but see, the percentile, 95th percentile increased, and users are increasing. And see, this kind of analytics, it will show you, and it is as simple as writing these 10 lines and you are ready to go to do the load testing. And that's it for this code. Uh, yep. So that's it for this. So that's it for this introductory video, and I'm planning to upload more videos where we will cover uh, setting up Locust, writing your first test, which we already touch base on this video itself, and we will look into advanced scripting for complex user behaviors like login, logout, stuff like that, and we will touch base on distributed testing for massive scale, and we will also do some analyzing results and optimizing performance. If you are excited to dive into load testing with Locust, you can subscribe to the channel and drop a comment below. If you want to suggest something like how uh, I should record videos in coming days. And yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching.